I see pinnies in the ZARA box. ये short cute funny story मुझे बतानी थी, किसी ने पूछा नहीं था. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are filming ZARA haul. I got some winter stuff because I'm traveling. So what I am gonna take with me to France. It's gonna be very quick because मैंने इतना ज़्यादा कुछ order करा नहीं था. But let's start. It's gonna be quick haul. Oh wow. The first thing that I got is this coat, this black felt coat. Let me try it on. Do we like? So I got this coat in a medium size and I got this very basic black coat. ये सबके साथ चला जाएगा. And yeah, I think मुझे और oversize लेना चाहिए था because it's more fitted. I think मुझे large XL लेना चाहिए था because I like that baggy look. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Next up I got this very pretty dress. It cinches your waist here. I think I'm into dresses these days and I really want to wear like a black legging and then overcoat or maybe a cool bag and just a low bun. So chic. I can imagine the entire look right now, but it's in olive green color. This is what it looks like. Next up, I got one more dress. So I got this dress only because of the belt here and actually ये olive green color है. वो dark olive और green color का mixture है. But this is what it looks like. It's very short and it's very fitted and just like I said, I'm into dresses these days and I think fitted dresses, bodycon, form-fitted dresses these days because a fitted dress with an oversized coat looks amazing and I think that's my favorite combo. So I'm gonna recreate these looks in Paris. I think I'm gonna wear this. ये bow के साथ नहीं जाएगा. I think ये थोड़ा grungy हो रहा है ज़्यादा. But let's see how I'm gonna style this. Next up, I love ZARA के bodysuits and the fitting is amazing and I love the material. It's so stretchy and it hugs your body at all the right places. I got this in a small size and it was for 1890. I don't know if you can see the color, but it's dark blue, dark cement blue, if that's a color. This is what it looks like. Next up, I got the same bodysuit in grey color. And I think मुझे bodysuits का craze Khloe Kardashian को देख के आया था and she wears a lot of bodysuits with baggy jeans and heels and I really like that look, so I think I'm gonna recreate something like that. I got this in a small size as well. It's full sleeves. It's gonna keep me warm. I'm gonna layer because it's so cold in Paris. We got these boots. I was really doubtful and I don't know, मेरे को लग रहा था मुझे order नहीं करना चाहिए फिर करना चाहिए. But I think मैंने last to last year एक चार्जन कीट के boots लिए थे white color के and मैंने वो इतने comfortable हैं and मैं literally हर जगह वो boots पहने हैं. So I think मैंने यही सोच कर कि I'm gonna wear them a lot. So I got these boots. मुझे ना हमेशा ही लगता है thigh high boots या फिर knee length boots होते हैं ना वो कभी इतने properly use नहीं हो पाते. But I think I'm gonna use these a lot and I hope they are comfortable because मैंने बहुत लोगों से सुना है कि ZARA की shoes बहुत uncomfortable होते हैं. मुझे heels कभी-कभी बहुत uncomfortable मिली हैं but boots मुझे usually comfortable मिले हैं. So hoping and praying to God these are comfortable and these are patent leather. Next up, wow, we got this oversized coat, guys. मैंने ये I got this in a medium size. I think मैंने next वाला XL size में लिया है, but ये already oversized था. And this is what the coat looks like. It's oatmeal color. सबने मेरा इतना मजाक उड़ाया था एक दिन पहले कुछ डाला था oatmeal color sweater. And oatmeal color is actually a color, guys. मैंने Google पे search करा था. I was doubting myself. But yeah, I got this coat and it's very basic, but I think basic coats हर किसी के साथ चले जाते हैं and I can probably wear it with anything and everything. If I'm wearing a dress, if I'm going for a party, I can just throw it over and call it a day. Next up, I got this from men's section. I got this very big oversized coat and I got this, yes, ये coat था जो मैंने large size में order करा था and इसके shoulders भी काफ़ी huge थे because ये men's section से लिया था मैंने and I think it's gonna look amazing with a power suit. Wow, I can imagine the look. This is what the coat looks like and I think I got this on sale. I'll keep the prices. Last but definitely not the least, I got this olive green coat, felt coat and it's in large size. I got this also in large size but it's gonna look amazing. I'm really excited for all the purry looks and purry Paris looks. I'm really excited about that, and God knows I need this break. I have just mentally drained myself so much. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे बस प्लेन में बैठ जाऊँ मैं और मैं सीधा टेलीपोर्ट हो जाऊँ. But we are traveling tomorrow. Make sure you follow and check my Instagram stories. I'll be posting a lot of stories, lots of reels. Going with family this time, and yes, that's about it. It's a very short video, sweet video, but I made a promise to myself and to you guys that I'm gonna be regular. So here I am, posting videos. Hopefully you liked it, and let me know which is your favorite piece. And that's about it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know what you wanna see next, and I will film that in the next video, and I'll see you once I'm back from France. Bye guys. Oh guys, ये मैंने पिछली वीडियो में बताया था. I think ये लाइफ अपडेट पहले जाएगी बाद में जाएगी, मुझे नहीं पता. But so मैं स्टूडियो में शूट कर रही हूँ, और मैंने घर पे मॉम को बोला था मेरे ज़ारा के बॉक्सेस पड़े हैं, आप प्लीज़ भेज देना. एंड मैं ऑब्वियसली इतने टाइम बाद शूट करी थी, तो आई वॉज नर्वस ऑल्सो. ये वो आई प्रिपेयर्ड माई सेल्फ सो मच. इतना डिले हो गया था यूट्यूब वीडियोज शूट करना. एंड मैं बॉक्स खोलती हूँ ज़ारा का. ऑलरेडी आई एम सो स्ट्रेस्ड आउट बिकॉज बैक एंड में बहुत goof ups चल रहे थे. And I open the box and I see pinnies. Guys, oh god. Oh, sorry about the noise. And I see pinnies in the ZARA box. उन्होंने मेरे clothes निकाल के ZARA box में डाल दिए. Oh god, I was so sad, disappointed, stressed. I started crying. But मैंने घर बोल के I got the boxes, I got the stuff here, and finally ZARA haul हो गया. All's well that ends well. इससे हमें ये सीख मिलती है आज को. आई विल सी यू द नेक्स्ट वन गाइस. बाय. ये शॉर्ट क्यूट फनी स्टोरी मुझे बतानी थी, किसी ने पूछा नहीं था, बट आई वांटेड टू शेयर इट, एंड आई विल सी यू द नेक्स्ट वन. बाय गाइस. ये 3 बार ऑलरेडी बोल चुकी हूँ, इस बार फाइनल बाय.